This is a simple board for a DMX 512 application development or a RS485 based project development. The board is developed for a PIC microcontroller. We have used a PIC 16F8860 chip over here. This particular connector is a PIC programming port. That connector is for RS485 communication, RS485 chip. It has dual regulator. So basically this regulator is a 5 volt regulator. This one is a 3.3 volt regulator. And through this jumper we can choose a power going to chip is 3.3 volt or 5 volt. Here this connector is a supply input. This can take supply up to 9 volt DC. This particular diode is for a reverse supply protection, and these jumpers are basically for address setting for a DMX, and it has all IOs as a output. This particular row provide a VCC output. This is ground, and the in between the center line is basically IOs. This board has one DC solid state relay, and the DC solid state relay is optically isolated. You could see one high power MOSFET behind. This MOSFET can handle current up to 10 amperes, and supply maybe around 60 volt DC. So basically this optically isolated gate driver drives the MOSFET. Here is a load connection. This is for a load supply, and this particular capacitor is for a filter capacitor for a load. And this entire circuit of solid state relay is optically isolated from the main circuit, so there is no back EMF or any noise issue. These are normal VCC filter capacitors. This board also provided a pull-up resistor facility on all the IOs. So as per your application requirement, you can solder 4.7 kilo ohms resistor or 10 kilo ohms resistor on particular IOs. Here is a port C, this is port A, here is a port B, and each pin of port pin is in the center line.